Today we want to go over our L2 Livewell system on the LX20, and also we have that on the LX21. It's very important whether you're a dealer selling to the customer, and or you're the new owner of a LX model with the L2 Livewell system. The first thing you want to do, absolutely doesn't matter. I've always cleaned my live wells first. There's products online available, to clean your live well with. That's the very first thing you want to do. Then take, circle water through it, and through your lines and everything. Just make sure it's all good to go. Then, all right, now jumping into our settings. All right, I can simply do this before I go to the lake, on the trailer. It doesn't matter at home in the garage. All right, so we got the boat power on. You see it's on our fishing page. So think of a smartphone. You got a home button right here. I push the button, it takes me to the engine page. I push it again, it gives me my page options. Simply click on Livewell. All right, now I'm going to go to my settings. All right, I want to make sure the boat's set up how I want it, and everything else. Everyone's different depending on your location and everything else. So hit my settings, fish IV. Whoops, apologize. Fish IV. It's set on fish amount 1 ounce. That's what I like. All right, if I click on it, then I've got the option quarter, half, 3/4, 1 ounce. I'm going to leave it on 1 ounce. All right, now I've got read use on timer disabled. I have that turned off. I got read use after fill time. I have it turned on. So whenever it fills up, then obviously it will, inject fish additive through the fish IV as long as it's a liquid base, after 1 minute. I can go change that and set the timer throughout the day, or add it on my own as fill as needed, depending on, spring, summer, fall, winter time. Things of that nature. But it's super easy, and I mean, it's just really quick. You can change it to what you want and or add it.